Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to try something new, which is combining between the dark theme color with a glow effect for the video. So open the CapCut right away, open the video. First I would like to make the videos here become dark, so you just need to tap into the clip and then we need to find a filters called Humble on this CapCut. Tap into the filters and tap into the Humble. You can adjust the intensity and now go click this checklist button. And the next, you just need to go back until you got this first menu and then tap into this effects. Tap into this video effects and then you just need to tap here glow and then go search. And then you just need to find one of the glow that you want to use here. You can use this edgy glow or luminance. It's all back to you. So you can see the difference, how the way it will be. And then for the edgy glow, you can also adjusting the glow for the video to be much more intense, and go click cancel, go click the checklist button and adjusting this effect to be applied into the whole video clip. And this is what we got for the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this and let's meet again into other tutorial.